Hi everyone, it's Dr. Rani with your Insight Tip of the Day. Today I wanted to share with you a treatment for dry eyes and blepharitis, which a lot of people have found useful. So this is a home therapy called NuLids. So this is a device you can purchase. It's over the counter, and it's like a little handheld device that you can use to clean your eyelids and your eyelashes. Now this is not a sponsored post, but I wanted to show you what this looks like. So it looks like an electronic toothbrush. It has a charger on the bottom, so once you charge it, there is a small silicone brush with a little magnet, so it fits right into there. And then what you do is you put a little bit of a cleanser, like a little cleanser that it comes with, or you can use a foaming cleanser or hypochlorous acid spray. When you turn it on, a white light comes on, but then you press the button again, and then it starts to turn green and it starts to rotate. And then you gently take it and you rub it along your eyelashes. So what it's doing is it's stimulating the eyelid glands, it's cleaning up dead skin, and it's cleaning your eyelids. So it's 30 seconds on each eye, so a total of 1 minute a day to clean your eyelids.